we just arrived in Hana and the Pink Hotel, and tomorrow we're going to start our training course, and we're so excited! This is my room, this is my bed, and she's my roommate!
Hi!
This is our rider manual, and we have to learn it because it's the most important feature of all our training course, and it's just like our Bible. This is our cabin trainer, and here we'll do all our practical stuff. Get in the plane and save a baby in the smoke. I cannot wait to do this in real life. We are living in Being cabin crew is not only about serving tea and coffee. We also need to know how to save lives.
Staying alive, staying alive.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Hot stuff. I just completed my conversion exam. I think I passed.